What's up everybody, and welcome back to Josh and Babe. Babe isn't here right now, but I wanted to drop this video. This is a quick, super simple, healthy chicken recipe that you can prepare in a matter of minutes on a weeknight. Alright, step number one is going to be to grab something that you probably already have in your refrigerator. Some basic Italian dressing. If you don't, run to the supermarket. Some of them are like 99 cents. Get a small bottle of Italian dressing. Grab some boneless, skinless chicken breast, or you can do thighs too, but I like to do chicken breast with this because the Italian dressing really gets in there and it really softens it up and makes the chicken extremely moist and juicy. Grab yourself a Ziploc bag, Italian dressing, chicken breast, Ziploc bag, 24 hours in the refrigerator. Pull it out on the counter, let it come up to temperature, and then you have a number of options. I'm gonna be making this on the Blackstone griddle outside. I have a 22-inch Blackstone griddle, gonna be making it outside. You could do it on your gas barbecue, you could do it on your charcoal barbecue, your Weber kettle, you could do it in a cast iron skillet on your stove, in a pan on the stove. Throw it on a cookie sheet, little bit of foil, 350 for 15-20 minutes. Just make sure that your chicken gets up to about 160, 165 internal, and you will have, no joke, healthy, juicy, zesty Italian chicken with one ingredient. The Italian dressing, the chicken, two ingredients. Ziploc bag, grilled, baked, inside, outside, it doesn't matter. All right, let's go outside to the Blackstone, we'll grill it up real quick, and then we're ready for dinner. And one more thing, apparently there's like a wind advisory, so it's super windy outside, so the audio is gonna get all messed up. We all know what grilling chicken looks like, but I wanna show you how it grills up on the Blackstone. So enjoy this nice, copyright-free, free little jam of music and grilling montage, and then we'll eat. So as you can see, it was super simple and easy. Just make sure you let that chicken marinate for like 24 hours in the Italian dressing. You can tell when Babe's gone, I eat a lot of chicken. Try and stay healthy during the week. I'm ready to eat and have leftovers for work tomorrow. Oh yeah. Whether it be barbecue, healthier weight loss type of food, air fryer food, we got a bunch of videos on our channel. If you guys like this video, you want to see more of this, leave a comment below. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. Check out a couple other videos. Follow along on our journey on learning how to cook, doing fun stuff in the kitchen, and having a good time. See you on the next one.